Hi, my name is Priyam and today we're going to do an experiment. We will need vinegar, a bottle, baking soda, and a balloon. You need to put the baking soda inside the balloon and vinegar inside the bottle. And then you need to top off the balloon onto the top of the bottle. Then it should look something like this. Then after you've done this, lift the balloon up and watch it flow here. You can see it's filling up with carbon dioxide. It'll stop soon. This all happened because the vinegar is acidic and the baking powder is a base. When an acidic and a base mix together, they react and make carbon dioxide. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for another episode of Fun with Priyam.